1 to 10, what do you rate it?
10.
10? 10 out of 10?
What is up, guys? Today we have a special guest here at Vivid Racing headquarters. Her name is Alex. She is a local car photographer, and here is Colin, our social media manager here.
Yeah, so we're partnering with Alex because of her car photography stuff and her presence on Instagram. I don't know if you wanted to kind of go into that a little bit more.
I mean, I don't know if I have that much of a presence, but I'm Automotive Alex on Instagram and I take photos of cars. So yeah, it's something I've been doing for about 5 years, and I got into it when I was in college, and it was just kind of a way that I could get access to cars since I love cars, and also it paid for my college gas and all that kind of stuff. So I just started coming down to Scottsdale area every weekend and shooting cars, and it kind of just grew from there, and now I've been doing it for about 5 years.
And what's done to your car?
So not too much for the moment. I've only had her for about a month. So far I've done intakes. That was done like 24 hours after I got the car. And then I've also done charge pipes. I have 12mm spacers all around to kind of help with the beef out the fitment a little bit. And then when I was at Car Week, I dropped the car off and I had it wrapped while I was at Car Week. So came back to a fun little surprise.
All right. So are you ready to see your new wheels?
Yes. Yes.
Now we're back in the shop. We have these VR Forged D03-R in blushed finish. So front spec is 20 by 9.5 plus 20mm, and the rear is 20 by 11 plus 37mm. Let's just open it up.
Oh, this is gonna look so good.
Do you like it?
I love it. I think like the 20s are gonna kind of flesh out the fitment just a little bit more, especially in the front. So, and then I think the brush silver is just gonna really pop with the yellow and like accent and contrast.
Yes.
So I think this is gonna be absolutely amazing.
I really like the thin spokes. The thin spokes really add a really cool design. I think
And I
it'll
like
fit.
the way they like arch.
Yeah, the arch really adds. I think it'll fit really well with like the body lines of the M3. So I like them.
Now that we have the wheels, we're gonna take them to the wheel specialist to get them mounted on her F80. Let's go. Specialist Alex and Jack. We're about to mount the new wheels on the car, so we're super excited.
How you feeling?
I'm so excited to see what they look like on the car.
So why did you get an F80?
So I've always wanted an M car since I was about 16. The M3 has always been like my second favorite.
Yeah.
And I love the wide fenders.
Yeah, and also it's bright yellow, right? What's the
Yes.
exact color on that?
So it is gloss yellow, and it's just extra gloss or hyper gloss, whatever they say.
Is there a specific reason why you got that?
So I have a twin sister, and when we were babies, my parents couldn't tell us apart. So they color coded us. So my dad made me yellow and he made my sister purple.
Wow.
So everything I had as a child was always yellow.
Wow.
And I just fell in love with the color, and like it never really went away because as I grew up, I just kept getting yellow things, and like, I don't know, it's a happy color.
Yeah.
And so like when I knew I was gonna get a car, like, I mean, since I was 5 years old, I've wanted a yellow car.
Yeah.
So like when I got this, I'm like, this is it. This is gonna be my yellow car.
Well, we love your car and we can't wait to see like
I'm
how
so
it looks
excited
afterwards.
to see y'all's wheels on it.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh, those look amazing. The fitment on those. Oh my god, yes. I love this. It looks so good. Look how beefy it looks from the side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
1 to 10, what do you rate it?
For on what? The wheel?
Yeah, I guess the fitment, everything together, the whole package.
10.
10? 10 out of 10?
Here we have the brand new VR Forged wheels. What's your honest opinion?
I absolutely love them. I love how the brushed silver complements the yellow and how it pops, and how you can actually see the blue caliper in there a little bit better now than you could with the black wheels. I also love the fitment. I love how beefy it is, especially like in the back. Like the car just has such a more aggressive stance, and like the wheels pop now. It definitely, I just love it. I think it looks absolutely amazing.
So now we're gonna head out to a nearby photo shoot location to get some actual pictures of the wheels on the new car.
So it's day 2 because we got rained on yesterday, but today we're joining Alex. She shoots her own cars, F80, so we're gonna see behind the scenes of how she does it.
I mean, number one, I just kind of line up the car how I want it. Right now, I'm pretty much shooting from the side angle, so I'm trying to shoot like a side portrait of it, which is kind of why I have the light coming across this way. And then that's just probably like the nicer background, just with the skies aren't like too blue and too harsh, but you still have a little bit of blue from like all the clouds and the mountains, so yeah.
What's been your favorite car to shoot so far?
That's such a hard question.
Yeah, because you've shot so many cars, so many hypercars, supercars, sports cars.
I would say at this point, like, it doesn't always come down to my favorite car, but like sometimes my favorite shoots aren't really about the car. It's about like what you're able to do with the shoot, the location. Like I'd say like my favorite shoot by far was with the SVJ in Vegas, just because we had 24 hours to take the car pretty much anywhere within like a 100-mile radius. We were able to hit like Valley of Fire, Mount Charleston, Lake Mead, like all these amazing places, which made that really cool. So I'd say that was my favorite experience. But like when it comes down to cars, I think my favorite car that I've ever had the opportunity to shoot had to have been, it was in 2021 Car Week, and I saw it in the rearview mirror, and it was a Countach, which is my absolute dream car. And I was able to snag some rollers, and I still have one of those rollers like blown up above my bed.
Hell yeah.
It's like my favorite car ever. So I think just having the opportunity to kind of shoot that car and have it be like that spur of the moment kind of thing, I think that was my favorite.
You guys saw the behind the scene of Alex taking a picture of her F80 with the brand new VR Forged wheels. I hope you guys enjoy the content.
Thanks again for coming out and showing us all of your cool photo tricks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.